Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Sulaiman Bin Salamat from 5 class in this department State Politeknik of Sriwijaya. In this video, I would like to presentation about the interpretation of data in research methodology reason. Okay, the first I would like to explain about the definition. Definition of data interpretation is the process of reviewing data through some predefined process. It will have to assign some meaning to the data and arrive at a relevant conclusion. It involves taking the result of data analysis, making inferences on the relation studied, and using them to conclude. Data analysis is the process of ordering, categorizing, manipulating, and summarizing data to obtain answer to research questions. It is usually the first step taken towards data interpretation. Okay guys, what are data interpretation methods? Data interpretation methods are how analysis help people make sense of numerical data that has been collected, analysis and presented. The data, when collected in raw form, may be difficult for the layman to understand. It is why analysis needs to break down the information and gather it so that others can make sense of it. Alright guys, this is the purpose of the data. According to Sulaiman and Strauss, 1973, it has the objective which are a mere description, analytical description, and last one, substantive theory. A mere description, that is the analyze shapes the uses exciting organizational design and theory in a discipline. The result of data analysis are interpreting the data by finding the categories in the data related to those usually used. And the secondly, analytical description. Analytical description, which is a design that is developed from the categories found and the relationships suggested or that arise from the data. And the last one, substantive theory. Substantive theory, namely the basic theory of data analysis, must reveal the design that has been carried out in the analysis, then transformed into the language of the discipline, sociology and so on, which eventually builds its own identity even though it is carried out in relation to the object being analyzed or traditional process. Okay, the next slide is data interpretation can be carried out into two ways. The first one, interpretation is limited because researchers only interpret the data and relationship that exist in their research. This is an interpretation in the narrow sense. And the last one, researchers try to find a broader understanding of the results they get from the analysis. This is done by the researcher by comparing the result of the analysis with the conclusion of other researchers and by reconnecting the interpretation with the theory. Data interpretation techniques according to L.M. Gate. The first one is connect the result of the analysis with the theories in the previous chapter. Secondly, connect or reveal the theory that is relevant to the problem at hand. And third, extend the result of the analysis by asking questions regarding the relationship, the differences between the result of the analysis, the causes, the implication of the result of the previous analysis. And fourth, relate findings to personal experiences. And the last one, give a critical view of the result of the analysis carried out. Okay guys, these are resources from http://www.formpl.use.blog data interpretation. Okay guys, thank you. I think that's all about my lecture today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.